Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cards magic trick. Start by holding the deck in a mechanic's grip, which is fundamental for many card tricks. Your non-dominant hand will cradle the deck. Place your index finger along the front with your middle and ring fingers on the long side. Your pinky finger should rest on the back edge, providing stability. Finally, your thumb will be positioned on the top surface, ready to apply pressure and move cards smoothly. This grip ensures maximum control and dexterity for upcoming maneuvers. Next, let's explore the classic force, a powerful technique where you subtly influence a spectator's card choice. While fanning the cards, you'll secretly position your target card. As the spectator reaches for a card, you'll gently guide their hand or attention towards your desired card. This requires precise timing and a confident presentation. With practice, you can make it appear as though they had a completely free selection, adding a truly magical element to your performance. Now, let's tackle the double lift, a cornerstone of many card illusions. This move involves secretly picking up two cards from the top of the deck, making them appear as a single card. You'll use your thumb to slightly separate the top two cards, then your fingers to square them perfectly. The key is to execute this smoothly and without hesitation. Presenting these two cards as one allows you to perform incredible reveals, making a chosen card vanish or transform right before their eyes. Finally, let's discuss the ambitious card routine, a captivating sequence where a chosen card repeatedly rises to the top of the deck. This trick combines several fundamental sleights, including the double lift, to create an impossible illusion. You'll show the card in the middle, then with a flick, it's back on top. Each phase builds on the last, increasing the mystery. Mastering this routine demonstrates excellent control and showmanship, leaving your audience truly amazed by the magic of the cards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.